How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. We got an old building here. We're going to check it out and see if we can find anything. We're going to look the building over and see if there might be some relics or something laying around. So let's get in here and check this place out. All right, this is a pretty old log cabin. I don't know exactly how old it is, but it looks pretty old. I hear a hawk up in the woods here. It looks like somebody had been down in here maybe camping or doing something. I got Julie out here with me today. We're just messing around. I come across this building and I thought we'll check it out and do a little video on it. See what it is. Well, it's definitely rough cut, whatever it is. I don't know if this was a house. It looks like it had an upstairs in it. But that floor don't look very safe. It actually looks like it's just made from old timbers. I'm not sure if that'd be safe to go in there. That whole thing will fall over. You can see where they put the stones in the, it must be, there's a little creek right over here, and they must have took stones out of there and put in there. Let's walk around this thing. Looks like there might have been a room on the back of it. You can see they got a wall here too, down along here. So we're gonna get the metal detector out and look around this thing. Hopefully it don't fall over on me here. Oh yeah, see, this must have been some type of a house, I would say. I don't know what that old thing is. That looks like some old transistor, maybe a TV or something. Don't look very safe. Okay, let's go up around the upper side of this thing. Some crazy stones in here. I don't know if this was a barn or this was a house, because man, that looks like a barn. I'm not sure. We're on the upper side. Now we'll get to look down inside of it. Let's check it out. There's the old floor. Guarantee you that's not safe. Ain't no way. I think that's just built with logs. Go back here a little bit. Now this is the part that actually looked like a house here. That part there looked like a house. See, that's some modern day blocks down in there. That's concrete block. So that might have been built on after the building was built. But I see some nails up there. Let's see if we can get one of these nails down out of here. Without the whole daggone thing falling over. Look at this. That looks like it's an old nail, but it's not square, so it's a big one. Boy, the termites have really eaten this thing up. It is a cool looking building though. Get a look at it. I just wonder if there'd be anything around here to metal detect. So let's get the detector out and take a look around. There's something in here somewhere. I know it's the hard part. I'm getting something right there. It's underneath. Let me check it again. Okay, here's the little piece that we pulled out of the ground. I don't know what it is, and it's real high tone, so feels pretty heavy, but I don't know what it is. But we'll clean it up and we'll get it out and see what it might be. We'll look at it at home. Okay, we were getting a high tone right here, so we do got a coin. I'm not sure, it's a quarter for sure. Check the year of it. 73. 73. So we did find a quarter out of here anyhow. And I thought I got another hit in here somewhere else too. So we're gonna check, we're gonna double check our hole and see if there's anything else in there. Now this place, like I said, looks to me like a bunch of kids have been down in here partying and stuff. So we're getting a lot of garbage, and we're trying to sort through the garbage to find coins, and it's really tough when they start throwing garbage everywhere. So I guess that's it in that hole. There's no more in there, so we'll just cover that up. We'll look for our next target. Alright, this place is so full of garbage. I dug a lot of targets, but most of them were all garbage. The only good thing we found was that 73 quarter. So we're gonna move on. I'll tell you what's hard is, like, the grass is so high. Now if the grass was cut, we could move on a little bit further away, but to be able to swing your metal detector in this grass, it's just not working. So what we might do is come back here closer to winter when the grass is laying down on the ground. Hopefully maybe we can get some better targets. So we're going to move on to somewhere else, and then hopefully we'll find some better finds. Metal detecting here in an old store lot, and we're going to see what we can come up with. Alright, I think we got our first coin here. I don't know what it is, but there's our first one. Let's see if we get a date. It is a quarter. Let's see here. 19. It looks like a 94 quarter. 1994. So that's a good hit. That's a real good hit. Alright, this is our next find. Looks like something you'd put an ink pen in. Some kind of ink pen holder. That's what I would say it is. Not doing too bad. We're getting a lot of junk though. Okay, we found another penny here. This one here is bent. It's just a regular penny, but it's bent. 1975. Cool. We'll take it. Okay everyone, it got late last night, so in the backyard we didn't really find nothing. So we're out here in the front yard now, and we're going to give it a try. The backyard, they put an in-ground pool in there years ago, and I think they disturbed a lot of the ground, and that's what kind of messed me up. So we didn't get much out of the backyard. We got that quarter, 2 pennies, and some kind of a thing to put your pen in. But today we're gonna, this morning, it's a little bit chilly this morning, it's supposed to be raining, but we're gonna hit this front area of the store and around the steps and up through here, because we know this really hasn't been disturbed, but hopefully we can find something good in here. So let's get to it. Okay, we got our first penny in the front yard, and I haven't even flipped it over yet. There it is. And it's just a regular penny, but I cannot see the date on it. But at least we're finding something. Sometimes I can look through the camera and see the date better than I can see it on my own. So, we got 1 penny out of here anyhow. I thought I had until about 10 o'clock to get some of this done, but that's not. I looked on my phone last night. It said we wasn't supposed to get any rain till around 10 o'clock. But guess what? It's raining. And it's raining pretty good. I was going to hang around and see if it stopped. I could get out and do some more of this, but by looking over the hill back there, I don't think we're going to get to. So this might be the end today. We'll come back though. I want to hit this. I had 2 more targets up there. I didn't get to dig real close to the sidewalk. And I dug every one I've dug quite a few already, and they've all been pop tabs or bottle caps and different things. So we'll hit it here in a little bit. So we're gonna wait for this rain, see what happens with the rain. All right, a little different from early this morning. This morning it started raining. We had to get out of here. It's about 4 o'clock and it's pretty decent outside. So we're gonna get to finishing up. I had a couple targets up on the hill right there, right in front of the store I wanted to get. And then we're just gonna play around here and see what we can find. Okay, we got our second coin out front here. It's a dime. Hard to see the date. Looks like a 92D. No, 2001D? I don't know. I think it's 2001. Alright, we went to a couple different places, and both of them places I thought was really going to be good places to metal detect. But I do believe that the store, somebody had already hit that with a metal detector, and I found a couple little coins there, but nothing much. The 1 quarter, the 73, and then we got a 94 quarter, and the dime was a 1992D, and then we ended up with 2 pretty good copper pennies. They're both 73 and a 75. But the thing that I didn't really get was this thing rung a really high tone. This piece of whatever it is. And it's shiny. When I scratch it with a knife, you can see the shininess to it. I do believe it's been melted down, whatever it is. But it's too light to be lead, but too heavy to be aluminum. It's pretty heavy. Now, I don't know much. I know a little bit about different types of metal, but Timco, Dean, if you're listening out there, you're watching this video, could this be silver? I'm not sure. But it is very heavy. I don't think it's steel. This is the underside of it. Could that have been a ring that was melted down, or is it just a piece of metal? It's not rusty in any way, but like I said, it's too heavy to be aluminum, but too light to be lead. And then when I scratch it, even when I scratch it with a knife, it's hard. It's not like aluminum. If it would have been lead, the knife would dig into it. It's not really digging into it. It's scratching the surface, but it's not digging into it. So we did 2 places there. I'm going to try to get another metal detecting video out. I really enjoy doing it. It just seems like I don't have a lot of time to do it. And then finding places to go, sometimes that can be tough too. But I'll tell you what, we didn't get much stuff out there, but we did enjoy ourselves. We had some fun. And that's what it's all about. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.